All right, this next problem requires a little bit of critical thinking. And so g of x equals the square root of x squared plus 5. And so what I've got to do is I got to make this a composition of two functions. I guess I'll do f and h, f of h of x, okay? And so here's what I would do. I would let h of x be what is underneath, I'm gonna say radical sign to make this more broad because this is a square root, but this is a cube root over here. So let h of x be what's underneath the radical sign. So therefore, h of x would equal x squared plus 5, okay? Next, what I would do is I would let f of x be, basically what I would do is I would let f of x be, this is a square root, be the square root of x, okay? And so what I'm doing with f of x is I'm just picking, like if it was a cube root there, I'd be the cube root of x. So I'm just, f of x is basically whatever power this whole thing's to. F of x is going to be whatever exponent this whole thing's to, and so it's to the square root. You can also put the power of 1/2, okay? So now let's try this out. So f of h of x, so let's say this was my answer. I'm going to try this out. So h of x, we know is going to be x squared plus 5. Now I go to the f function, I plug in x squared plus 5 anytime I see x. So I'm going to rewrite this, the square root of x squared plus 5, which is also equal to g of x. Okay, so this works. So I'm going to let h of x, so therefore h of x equals x squared plus 5, and f of x equals the square root of x. So let the one inside one equal what's inside here, and let the outside one be basically what the exponent is of the whole thing, which is the square root of it, which is the same thing as that to the 1/2 power.